Informatica Complete Video Training. Informatica Power Center Data Integration Tool is the top in Gartner's Magic Quadrant for the past 10 years with a high go-live rate compared to any other existing ETL tools in the market. Informatica Power Center tool supports all the steps of extraction, transformation, and load process life cycle. There are a lot of other, third-party, products that are offered and created around the Power Center's ability to connect to different technologies ranging from legacy systems, mainframes to CRM, SAP, TIBCO, HP Vertica to big data. Informatica Power Center Developer Course will introduce you to work with the Power Center version 10 by 9.6x to create, execute, as well as administer, monitor, and schedule ETL processes and understand how these are used in data mining operations and enterprise data warehouse setup. Informatica Power Center is an easy-to-use GUI-based tool. It has a simple visual interface that is easy to understand and use. All the components are designed to be used by a simple drag and drop feature for different objects like source, targets, transformations, applets, mappings, sessions, workouts, and workflows which contribute to the design process flow of the data extraction, transformation, and load. Once the objects are integrated into a package called workflow, it can be scheduled to run as and when required with rich features to accommodate all the possibilities of a business requirement. The architecture of Informatica 10x, 9x is created based on the SOA, service-oriented architecture, which takes care of the data fetch, execution of the transformation, and load the data into the target systems in the desired formats like relational, flat file, XML, WSDL, PDF, Word, structured, semi-structured, unstructured. Informatica Power Center 10x, 9x has the ability to communicate via ODBC sources, plugins, extensions with all major data sources like mainframe, big data, traditional RDBMS, Oracle, SQL Server, Teradata, NetEase, Informix, DB2, etc., NoSQL, MongoDB, Cassandra, etc., flat files, XML, TIBCO, WSDL, via web services, SAP, Salesforce, etc., and move, transform data between them based on the need. The tool's ability to fetch, transform and load huge volumes of data in a very effective way, with less resource consumption is better than hand-coded programs written for specific data movement using place, SQL procedures, Java, Perl, and other languages. What will I learn? 1. Understand data warehouse concepts and ETL concepts. 2. Describe Informatica Power Center architecture and its different components. 3. Use Power Center 10x, 9x components to build mappings, tasks, workflows. 4. Describe the basic and advanced features functionalities of Power Center 10.0, 9.6 transformations. 5. Understand workflow tasks and job handling. 6. Describe mapping parameter and variables. 7. Perform debugging, troubleshooting, error handling, and recovery. 8. Learn different types of cache available and how to calculate cache requirement and implement session cache. 9. Execute performance tuning and optimization. 10. Identify and explain the functionalities of the repository manager tool. 11. Identify how to handle services in the administration console.